Well-trained employees are a vital part to any organization's success. Why? Because it is this group that serves as a company's foundation. As contact lens fitters, whether in a solo practice or part of a large organization, this understanding takes a whole new life. Well-trained employees not only help practitioners, but they can also serve a vital role in the overall patient experience. So what role does your technical staff perform when dealing with contact lens aspects of your practice? In our practice here at Frommer Eye Centers in New York, our technical staff can be found answering phones, taking histories, measuring acuity, obtaining autorefraction or keratometry readings, teaching insertion and removal, explaining contact lens regimens, taking photos, instructing follow-up care, managing inventory and ordering products. After just a short review, we can quickly see that there is plenty to be done. But how beneficial is it to hire highly trained individuals to perform these tasks? Is it really necessary to have these tasks performed by qualified staff? Or are some of these tasks better off performed by the eye care professional themselves? Let's take a look at some of the advantages of delegating these tasks. Time saving. Okay, how long do you think it takes to perform the following tasks? Check a patient's acuity, take an autorefraction and keratometry, obtain a topography, take photos, and observe the patient while practicing insertion and removal. Wow, that's a lot of chair time, all on one patient. Now, spending time with the patient isn't the issue here. The issue is that despite all this time spent with that patient, there was no dialogue. All this time spent and no interaction with the patient. The staff member remained silent while the patient read a few letters, looked at a few targets, clicked a few buttons, and watched a video. Wouldn't your time be better spent delegating these tasks and spending that quality time with another patient? While on the outset, we may think that our patient would prefer to have us perform these tasks. But remember, our patients benefit much more from us spending time educating them and answering their questions. They don't need us to be data collectors. Improves productivity. Productivity can be measured in so many different ways. The obvious bonus would be referencing the time that was saved. But what about other aspects? For example, while taking case histories for a routine exam, a well-trained technician can identify potential contact lens patients, maybe sparking the interest of a spectacle lens wearer by offering a contact lens fitting, or maybe educating an existing contact lens wearer on the latest contact lens technology. Keeping the exam free of financial discussions. While there are necessary fees associated with contact lens fitting, you may not want to include a discussion of fees while reviewing the patient's health. A qualified technician can remove a discussion of pricing and fitting policies outside of the exam room. Reviewing issues surrounding fitting fees, prescription expirations, and follow-up evaluations can remove this tension from the exam room. Ensures exceptional patient care. Patients quickly develop relationships with our staff, so much so that they may feel more comfortable with them than even the contact lens fitter. Although the practitioner should always save time for patient education, these conversations between the patient and the technician can serve as yet another opportunity for the patient to be educated or reminded on various contact lens concerns. Our technicians can educate the patient on issues related to contact lens wear, replacement schedules, or how to deal with things like dry eye and allergies. As you can see, a strong technical staff can be very rewarding for a practice, but this definitely comes at a cost. When we rely so much on staff, it is extremely important that they stay trained and up to date. A contact lens technician should be very familiar with the basic principles of contact lenses. They should know why you are fitting certain products and why certain procedures are done. Finding time to train employees can be difficult, but well worth the endeavor. Let's look at a couple ways that you can offer that education. get it from the source. Who better to teach your employee about what you like than you? Here, they will learn your style and have the office on the way to working as efficiently as possible. Now, this doesn't mean you have to meet outside of office hours. Have the technician follow you during your contact lens evaluations. Allow them to see the procedures and techniques that you're doing during the exam. Let them see how you educate your patients, as well as respond to their concerns. Other employees. While allowing other employees to lead in the instruction process is helpful, I would exercise caution in this area. Be sure to have only senior employees perform this training. These employees need to have a strong foundation with the concepts to be discussed. The last thing you want is for the training to be watered down due to lack of experience. Once you have a qualified person, outline the material used for training purposes. Develop a system that can be duplicated for future reference. Conferences. Many conferences offer staff training modules. These sections are often led by clinicians. When registering your employees for such conferences, look carefully at the application. Many times these employees can receive this training at a reduced rate. So, whichever method you choose, formal skills training should be an ongoing part of your practice. We've shown how it benefits both the business and the patient, but there's yet another benefit: the employees themselves. When you invest time to educate your employees, it shows them that you value their service. It shows that you are interested in their development. This in turn can yield unlimited results when it comes to how an employee feels about their job. In other words, build loyalty. The fact of the matter is that people care when they see that you're taking a genuine interest in their future. Whether looking at it from the perspective of the business, patient, or employee, I hope this video was helpful in showing you how beneficial contact lens technicians can be. So how to use technicians in your office? Let us know in the comments section below. Happy prescribing.